Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear queue on Spotify mobile. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now you need to know that in order to add some songs to the queue, you need to have a song playing. So here you can see I have a song in now playing. Now let's add some songs to the queue. I'll just randomly select songs to add to the queue. I'll add few songs to the queue. Now in order to access the queue list, you need to go to the now playing song. And in this page, you can see the icon of a circle and two lines at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. It'll take you to the queue list page. Now in order to clear the queue, here you can see the clear queue option. So tap on it and it will simply clear your queue list. So that's how you can easily clear your queue on Spotify mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.